Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. Today, we embark on a journey of creativity and imagination as we explore the serene beauty of a boat resting on still waters, capturing its reflection in perfect harmony. This painting is not just about the strokes of acrylic on canvas. It's about finding peace in the stillness and beauty in the reflection. As we paint this scene together, let it remind us that life, like art, is a blend of reality and reflection, each stroke adding depth and meaning. No matter where you are on your artistic journey, remember that every brush stroke is a step towards expressing your unique vision. Allow yourself to be immersed in the process, to embrace the imperfections, and to find joy in every moment of creation. So, gather your brushes and paints, and let's dive into this beautiful expression of tranquility and reflection. Together, we'll create something truly magical. Let's begin. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up, leave a comment below, and let me know what you'd like to see next. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon so you never miss an update.